I've tidied it, all the wiring up, and also one of them was running from the battery all the way around underneath, down that way through the bed, blah blah blah, and then there to run the tap. So instead took it all out and just wired it from there, hidden underneath here around the back, and then in. So much better. It also gives a little bit of spare wire as well, electrical cable, so I can hook up a little 12 volty somewhere down the bottom of here. I was thinking of putting it just sitting in there, just drill a hole, because I want to cover this up, just like a flip up, a couple of areas. Anyway, what I'm actually videoing is, I've just been online there looking at different types of fridges and things like that. There's one I've seen, it's a 50 litre, which is big, which is good. I want big, and it's 41 centimeters across, so it's sitting here, lovely. So 41 by height's 42, perfect, and the length, width, height, oh hold on, oh yeah, that's the type, look, it's only 95 quid, you see that, 50 litre, so 41 high, 61 across. Have a look. See here. Don't want it anywhere near the pump. So if I had it, you literally where the camera's sitting there to here. It's a bit big, that, like. I'd have to move this to the end. I'll just move it down to here. What do you think? Alright guys, I'll just run out to you. Could go smaller, just go for 30 litre, and it'll just sit in there, bump, done. Don't know. Well, I know I kind of drifted off what I originally came out to do. Was I was looking under their current to see if the fridge would fit, but too big. And then I decided, with what wood I do have left, a miracle that I've got wood, by the way. I don't know where it's coming from. I've just chopped some 9mm ply, actually might be 12mm, that. It's what I've used for the beds. One for that side, going to do exactly the same for the opposite side. Square off at the top and tidy this end up, which is easy to do, and then we can get the blinds ordered and fitted. I'm just going to put some carpet down there. I think that'll do the job.
That'll look good.
Okay. And looking from the inside, just looks like a normal van still. That's what I'm trying to do, keep it stealth. DVLA doesn't think it's a camper van, so that's good enough for me. You can shut off. So I'm going to just make another one, use this as a template for the other side. Should fit. And then get cutting. There we go, frames are in, just need securing, so I've done that side. I just need something across the top of there to square it off, but I just haven't got it. I genuinely haven't. I say that, you know, and I can't find something. Nice fit, really nice fit. So some self tappers in there. Make sure it doesn't vibrate when driving and things like that, so it won't get on your nerves. Job's a good one. Right, that's that done. I don't know how I'm doing it, I swear to God. but I found some more of the wall carpet, you call it, whatever it is. Anyway, I got some of that, stretched it out enough to do both sides. I ran out of wood, like I said earlier on, but I had some of this. This is like wood that you would use to make a fence, and it was rough. I've just smoothed it off, just used just two discs on my orbital sander, smoothed off lovely, and it's got an absolutely lovely sort of like the groove, beautiful. So I've just stained it, and that's going on the top basically for the way, son. And there, levelled off, you get the picture. And there's my frame sorted. Right, I'll have a play with that. There you go, 6:30. Done. The sides nice and level. I've got edging to go either side. Well, I haven't. So I don't think I have. And that's the board I made for the top. Nice and square, and then I can get the blinds to go on there, and they'll just pull down, blackout, perfect. I think they're about 20 quid, but I'll have to wait. There we go in night mode. Well, it looks really tidy now. Look forward to get the blinds up.